How to replace a 2021 Ram 1500 5-button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Hey, it's Sergeant Locksmith. All right, we're going to do a little quick video on how to change your battery on your 5-button remote here. For this task, if your key ring is attached here, go ahead and leave it on. It's not going to cause any issues. Go ahead and look at the side of your remote. You'll notice your emergency release for emergency key. Go ahead and push that in. When you do, your emergency blade pops out. Once you pop that out, I prefer to use a flat tip. Over on the sides, you'll notice you got the little indentations. Go ahead and put your flat tip in and just slide it in. And you'll just get a little bit under there, and once you do, slowly lift up and you'll see the side just pop up. Once you get it popped up, put your finger there to hold it. Come back to the opposite side, put your flat tip in here, and go ahead and lift up. You'll notice that side popped up. Now we've got the two sides. You might have to put a little bit of pressure when you go to separate the two, and there's your cover coming off. Now this remote here, the battery popped up. Normally they don't. Normally they set like this, and I'm setting it how it needs to be set. So when you come up to it and you have it open, put your finger on the battery, pull it back. If the battery does not pop up, use a flat tip just to grab it, and there you go, you'll pop it out. This is your CR2450. You do notice on your remote you have this little metal tab here and here. Be mindful of those, because when you put the battery back in, it needs to sit like this. Push towards it, then down, and then push towards the top of the remote. That way the battery sits like that. These are new remotes, so we're reusing the same batteries. Go ahead and take your two halves together. I like to start at the top, snap it in, go to the side, snap it, make sure it's all good. Go and take your emergency key blade, insert it back in, and there you go. You've just changed the battery on your remote.